This cat just starts crying while its owner sneezes. A man in Colorado sighted holding onto the rear of the semi-truck, using it as a personal transport.
And he's not bluffing on TikTok either, coming out with a deadline for them to sell presumably to Microsoft if somebody else doesn't come up with the money. There's also, of course, the new rule that
this company developed a water illusion of a solid stop signal that blocks traffic but doesn't damage the vehicle as it's just water.
Sign doesn't get much more obvious than this. Tunnels across the city have been forced to install the water curtains because truck drivers
Here's an woodpecker skeleton, whose tongue is so long that it wraps around its skull.
That their tongue actually wraps around the back of their head and all the way onto the top of their head, sometimes as far as reaching back into the right nostril.
This graph shows how much money each country has spent on their military throughout the years. That's the impact of World War II on military spending. This gorilla at a zoo was so pissed on the people that it banged so hard and almost broke the glass. This person put a camera inside a car tire to see what it looks like while driving. This artist used a US coin and changed it to a mechanical piece of art. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we will meet in the next one. Peace.